Hello viewers, welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So today we'll be treating the topic quadratic equation. You have a problem on the board. How do you know that this particular problem is a quadratic problem? So the highest power of the variable here is 2. That's how we know that this is a quadratic equation. When the highest power of the variable is 1, it's termed linear. When the highest power is 3, it's called a cubic equation. And when the highest number is more than 3, then it's known as polynomial. So now, the general form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. Then from this, our a here is what? Our a here is 1, because there is an invisible 1 here. It's supposed to be 1 x squared, but in mathematics you don't do that. So our a here is 1. Our b is what? Minus 2. Our c is what? 8. Yeah, now we have so many methods of solving quadratic equation. We have the factorization method, graphical method, completing the square method. But in this class today, we're focusing on factorization method of solving quadratic equation. So example. Now, given this, let's use this to solve the first example as the first example. Example 1. Example 1. X squared minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now solution. What do you do? You look for the factors of A and C, that when you add them together, you get your B. Do you get me? So now, what's our A here? Our A here is 1. Our B is minus 2. Our C is minus 8. Sorry, here it should be minus 8. Now, the factors of A and C is what? Factors of AC is what? 1 times C. What's our 1? What's our A is 1. Our C is minus 8. 1 times minus 8, you have minus 8. What's our B? Our B is what? Minus 2. What are the factors of this minus 8? That when you add them together, you get minus 2. That's what we are looking for. Now, you can say added. You can put added here. Factors of minus 8, 4 and minus 2 is a factor of minus 4 and 2, 8 and minus 1, minus 8 and 1. Yeah, these are the factors of minus 8 AC. What do you mean by factors? Those two numbers, the number that when you multiply them, you get what? You get minus 8. So we are looking for that particular one. All these are factors of minus 8. But we are looking for this particular one that when we add them together, we get what? We get our B. We get minus 2. When you add this and this, when you add 4 plus minus 2, we get what? We get 2. Minus 4 plus 2, we have minus 2. 8 minus 1, we have what? 7. Minus 8 plus 1, we have what? Minus 7. Now, this is what we are looking for. Is that clear? So we'll be going with this. Now, from this equation now becomes the equation. The equation x squared minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now becomes what? X squared. Then you write out this minus 4x plus 2x. Look at what we are doing. We are replacing this our b with this. We are replacing our b with this. Now you're supposed to write minus 2 here, but we'll be replacing it with minus 4 plus this. So we have minus 8 equal to what? 0. Then you factor out. When you factor out x here. You have x here, is you have x here and you have x. That's what they have in common, right? You have x minus 4. Is that correct? And here we have what again? 2. X minus 4. You factor out, because when you extend this bracket, you get this. 2 times x, you have 2x. Then 2 times minus 4, you get minus 8. That's just this kind of factorization here. Now we have s minus 4 and s minus 4 here. That's what we have in common. You factor out x minus 4 to give you what? X minus 4 bracket x plus 2. X minus 4, s plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, it's either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, when x minus 4 is equal to 0, what do you get? X minus 4 equal to 0. You have x equal to 4. You take minus 4 to this side, and when the sign of subtraction crosses the sign of equality, it changes to what? To addition. You have x as equal to minus 4. Or when x plus 2 is equal to 0, we have x to be what? Minus 2. So s is either 4 or minus 2.